Slept pretty good last night. Got up, had a full 7.5 hours of sleep.
Elena was curious about Port Ripaille across the lake on the French coast. It's a vacation resort with canals. She thought it would be like being in Venice. After all, it seemed like we'd been in Brazil, Tahiti, and the French Riviera. So why not Venice? Stefan thought we'd be motoring, but I sensed the breeze, and we sailed out of the port and were greeted by an awesome side wind. We were finally sailing. It was so satisfying to feel the wind in the sails, giving my brother and Elena a better understanding of what sailing is all about. The further we got from the Swiss coast, the more the wind increased and the waves became swells. A gust caught us by surprise as we tacked, and I lost my Geneva sheet in the water. Reaching for it, I almost went overboard, but my forearm caught my fall, and I was left with a nice bruise. We couldn't find the entrance to Port Ripaille at first, as it's somewhat hidden and not part of a town or city. Finally, we see it. We bring down the sails and happily get shelter from the waves, which had become whitecapped.
Okay, so we made it to Port Ripaille. It's quite a cool trip, although it got a little windy, a little hairy. One of my sails is torn. Got a couple little problems. Luckily, some people here are going to help us out. We're again amidst huge boats with our little tiny modest little baby Sansonet. We slipped in here because we had a little one. So we're in Port Ripaille. Went to eat something, but we can't eat anything because the restaurant is closed. So we're going to the snack bar, maybe eat a panini or a burger, they said. And we have no idea what time it is. We almost died on the lake out there. My arm is killing me. You see my boat over there? The tiny, tiny, tiny one squeezed in between two big giant ones. Huh? How's that burger, Steph? Il est bon. Il me pose toujours des questions. Damn good burgers. Thai burger said tastes really Thailand-like. He's got a Swiss burger, tastes really Swiss-like. Mine's goat cheese with fig mustard. It's fucking good.
We left France in a gentle breeze. It had calmed down quite a bit. As we made our way across the lake, it picked up. We were admiring the stormy sky over Geneva in the distance, and all of a sudden got caught by surprise again by stings of gusts. The storm in the distance created a wind disturbance that slapped us fiercely. I ordered Stefan to bring down the Genoa immediately. Then I took in a reef to be safe, so we could continue with just the main sail. But the waves were really pushing us around, so I decided to hoist the intermediate jib so we could cut through the waves. Looking behind us, we saw a blackened sky over France and felt a downward wind. I did not want to take chances, so we took the sails down and motored to Rolle, our next destination. Rolle is another sweet town with a sleek castle. It looks almost as if it was a modern design. We passed by a man-made island called Île de l'Arbre and into the marina.
Stefan, what do you think of your adventure?
Fun. Very good. No, it was a good day.
And we are now in Rolle. Rolle, like my friend Ralph Rolle, the drummer for Chic, a descendant of the Rolle people. Is that right, Ralph Rolle? We had an adventure, right, Elena?
I don't know.
Obviously, yes. Huh? We didn't almost die. We didn't almost capsized.
Twice.
But then again, we kind of almost did. Everything was pretty cool. We managed. Everybody stayed calm. Elena asked me what to do, and I said, don't panic. For fuck's sake, do not panic. There was reason to panic a couple times, man. Those fucking waves were huge. That wind was crazy. Oh my God.
Stefan knew of a restaurant here, and we came just in time for dinner. There was only one choice on the menu, perch fillet.
Now we're gonna have filet of perch, because that's all they're serving. And in this cool little restaurant in Mohr. These are Filêts de Pèrche, something that you will never know anywhere except on this lake, Le-Mans. I'm back in my little floating home. My brother and his girlfriend Elena went back to Vevey and Montreux. I'm gonna meet Stefan, my brother, a little further down the coast in Caen. But right now, I've just had another incredible meal of Filêts de Pèrche, and I'm pretty exhausted. It was a pretty exciting day. I'm going to crash out here in my little floating cubby hole and see what's up tomorrow. Looks like more rain coming over there in France.